Hey y'all, welcome to another video from YakAttack.com. This is the last of a 5-part series on overhauling a kayak for fishing with my kids. You can catch the first 4 parts by following the links in the description. But part 5 is going to focus on installing a track system on this kayak to attach our lithium battery box we built a few videos back, as well as a crateless rod holder system. Since I have an upcoming project that needs a 4-inch section of track, I chose to take a 16-inch piece of YakAttack Track and cut it into a 12-inch section. And then I bought another 12-inch section. I also made my own backing plates, but if you don't want to do this, you can use a full back from YakAttack. But to make them, you'll rip a 1/4-inch piece of 1-inch aluminum flat stock into 2 pieces, and then we'll tap those for the backing plate. First, you'll want to just cut it down to size, and then you can match up the backing plate to the track. And I'll just make a small dimple so when I put it in the drill press, it'll drill through in the right location. So this is a number 29 bit. It comes with the tap, which is for a number 8 with 32 thread hole. So I'm just going to tap that. And this is what I do. I always, once I tap one hole, I will secure the track system because I don't want the holes to shift. So I'm going to secure the track system, and then I'll use the secured track to mark the remaining holes. So screw it in tight, and then I'm just going to make those holes, or actually make the indentions for the holes. And then this just becomes a kind of a rinse and repeat process of just tapping all those holes. And when we get done, we'll have a full backing plate that will go behind the track system. So I'm just going to drill through the hole in this hidden recess on the kayak. And then I'm just pushing that backing plate up behind it to secure it. I'm actually going to do the exact same thing. This is actually the rear of the kayak, and I'm going to attach another piece of track. So when I'm done, I'm going to slide on the battery box we built into the hidden track, and it will secure fine because it's a 12-inch piece, and the width of the box is less than that. So this has a deployable arm. I'll put a link to this video. And with the battery box secured and the fish finder on there, I'm going to turn my attention to the back. So on the back of the kayak, we secured another 12-inch section, and I put these Scotty gear heads. And I secure those, and this allows me not to have to bring a crate because I bring a cooler. And I put these rod holders from Scotty that just go on the inboard side of the kayak, and they're adjustable. I can even troll with them if I wanted to. So that's all there is to it. The kayak is now ready to get out with kids. Thanks, y'all.